Good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? Hope we are fine and hope we are safe. I hope you slept well too. Okay, welcome to today's class. The topic for today will be deleting files and folders. Our ICT topic for today: deleting files and folders. So I'm going to show you how to delete files and folders in your computers. Okay, now if you don't want a file and you think you don't need it anymore, you can delete it. So delete means to remove. Okay, so we are going to see how to remove files and folders in from our computers today. My name is Mr. Patrick and I will be your teacher today. Now let's look at some objectives for today. All right, now we should be able to identify files and folders. We should be able to delete files and folders from our computers. And we would also identify where deleted files are kept. Okay, so all these and more we are going to learn in today's class. Okay, now first question we would always ask is, what is a computer? Can you remember what a computer folder looks like? So right, can you always remember what it looks like? Right, if you look at the left hand side of this screen, you discover that we have three folders in that small window we have there. So this is one folder, this is another folder, this is another folder. A folder is always yellow and it's meant to contain files. That's why we say folders are containers where files are kept on the computer. Now, folders are containers. They're containers because they are meant to keep your files and organize your files and arrange your files, arrange the computer properly, keep your files in the right places. Okay, folders are meant to organize the computer. That means they bring files together, group the files. An example is if I have so many files about Earth, the planet Earth. If I have so many files about planet Earth, I have pictures about planet Earth, I have a document about planet Earth, I have a file about planet Earth, I could have a song about the planet Earth, I could have so many things about planet Earth, right? I could decide to bring all of them to one folder and name the folder Earth. So that whenever I need to go to look for anything about Earth, I'll go to that folder and look for it there. So that is the use of folders. So remember, they are yellow and they are used to keep our files. Okay, they are containers where files are kept. Good. So now let's talk about how you can delete files and folders from your computer. First thing you need to know is the delete command is used to remove computer folders. Now, delete command, to delete a computer folder, you have to right click on the folder and choose delete. Remember, right clicking is the right button on your mouse, on your computer mouse, or the right button on your trackpad. That means your laptop trackpad. Okay, so you should remember the right click, then you would have a flyout menu like this. When you right click, you get something like this. Now look at where my mouse is, like this. Good. Now when you go through that different commands you have there, you will see a command called delete. That is what you need to delete or remove a folder or a file. Now you can do that, or you press the delete key on the keyboard. Look at your keyboard right now. You will discover that there is a key on your keyboard called the delete key. The delete key is spelled D-E-L-E-T-E. Delete. It's the delete key. It's used to delete a file. If I want to delete with a file with the delete key, I would click on that file first, then press the delete key, then the file will go off. That means it will be removed from that place. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to delete your files and your folders. Now, I will want to switch to my computer, so I'm going to minimize this down. Then I'll go to my desktop so that you can see how this is my computer desktop. Now I have three files there. I have a file called year one exam. I have a file called year one pupils. I have a file called year one test. I want these three to be in my folder, to be on a folder. So I'm going to create a folder now, and I want you to watch this. I would right click. Please don't allow the cars to distract you. Okay, I just want it to look fine. They'll keep changing, so don't let that distract you. Now let me show you how to create a folder, and I want you to do the same thing on your computer. So I'm going to right click first, then I'll go to new. New means that I want to create a new folder for my three files. So I'll go to the folder and click on folder. Right click and choose new and click folder. Once I get this, I will now name this year one. Now press enter. Now I have a folder called year one. Nice. Now I want to bring these three of them into this folder. So I'm going to click and hold and drag and drop. And click, hold this second one, drag it to the folder and release your mouse. Drop it. Then I would click, hold and drag again to the folder and release my mouse. So three of them are now inside this folder. How do I know they're in there? They're no longer here. I have to open this folder, right, to see it. So I will right click on it. Now go to open. Then I'll see the three files inside. Good job. I have three files inside my year one folder. So you're going to do the same now. Now when you do that, you're going to now delete one of them. I'm going to delete one file that I don't want here. So make sure you don't just delete any files because they will just go off. Don't always be sure about the file you want to delete. So I'm going to right click right now on this and go down to where I have delete. I want to delete this year one test. So I will go down to delete. Now when I click on delete, this year one test will go off. I will do it now. Boom. It's off. It's no longer here. It's gone. That's what delete is used to do. We use delete to remove files and folders. Now I've removed one file. Where has it gone to? I don't know. Where has it gone to? It has gone to the recycle bin. It's inside the recycle bin. Now, if you look at inside this recycle bin, I'm going to right click and open my recycle bin. I will see my year one test there. So this means that everything you will see inside your recycle bin has been deleted from the computer before. Okay, so everything that was deleted from your computer comes to the recycle bin. Always remember that. Okay, now I have deleted the file and is off my year one. Now that is how to delete with your mouse. Now I want to delete year one exam with my keyboard. Now to delete with my keyboard, I will click on year one exam, the file first, and I will look for delete key on my keyboard. Then I'll press it once. It's off. It's off. I pressed my delete key on my keyboard and it went off. Where is it? It's in the recycle bin. I'll go there again and check. Look at it here. Is off. Now recycle bin is like the computer's trash can, where to keep all or everything that has been deleted. Okay. So that is how to delete files and folders from your computers. So you're going to demonstrate it, and you're going to do the same, and tell me in the comment section when you get it. Remember that you should always right click if you want to delete your files and folders. In our next week topic, we'll be looking at restoring files and folders from our recycle bin. See you in the comment section and have a nice time. Bye.